fill in the blanks. A pyramid of n-sided polygon has dash faces. Firstly, which is the pyramid amongst this? This is the pyramid, this tetrahedron, right? Always remember, pyramid has a point at the top. Remaining remaining everyone don't have. This is also a pyramid, but there are two pyramids. That's why it's called octahedron. Okay. So pyramid has of n-sided polygon. See this. This pyramid n-sided means what? Base. Look at only the base. The base of this pyramid is what? Triangle. So how many faces does it have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose if this would have been a square at the bottom, how many faces? 4 above and 1. So 4 plus 1. Here 3 plus 1 means n plus 1. That is the answer. A rectangular prism has dash faces. Rectangular prism. Which is the rectangular prism in this? See this. Prism means pyramid means top. At the top only one point, like Egypt. And here prism means like these ones. So how many faces? This is the rectangular prism. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Next, the net, this dash, can be folded to make what? Means if I fold this, what can I make from this? See, there are two triangles on the sides and this is to be folded. So it will be a prism and triangular prism. This image is the dash view of this image. I mean, this is a polyhedron and this is which view? If I look it from here, then it will look like this, right? So it is basically side view. Because if I look it from top, then I can see this L. If I look from side, I can see this one square and other square, only two squares. Here I am saying 3 squares, so it is from this side or that side, any side view basically.